My name is Jeff Skorman, and I'm just a normal sort of a guy that practices and teaches Ayurveda, meditation, yoga, and how to have fun. The key to life is to be happy and have fun, and I would hope that that happens for everybody. Also, 11 months ago, I had a liver transplant, and I'd been doing all these different things for years prior, and I continue to do all these different things now. And obviously I'm healing well and I'm doing well, and there isn't anything I can't do. So I would say that I'm living proof that Ayurveda, meditation, yoga, those type of things really are beneficial to a person's health. And my plan is to make more videos and show different things in this area. Thank you.